everyone, all those people when they like tomato paste, I think that their life partner, I think that their relationship. When I don't see, maybe when I open eye, maybe when I see how they make this tomato paste for us. So I tell when I say all this processed food where we they chop. Now it be the major problem for this country. Now it be the major problem where we get for this country. Maybe when I see how Chinese people process this tomato for now, you now go see how they process this tomato paste. You might go take care for how you go they consume it. Oh yeah, now maybe they do am. See, they don't blend the tomato, they don't pour am. They want thicken this tomato, they don't add flour and sugar. Now it be the thickener, flour and sugar. Now they hear them. Hey, my God, my people, maybe they careful. They don't finish. Now packaging, they don't package it like this, that. Now I don't see how this tomato are processed. So sometimes if you eat processed food, you need to be very careful on what you eat. You see what we eat? 100% of disease where we get today comes from what we eat from our mouth. So we need to be more careful. When you want to eat tomato, get the fresh one. You go sure say this in a fresh tomato in the chop. But all this processed one, we don't know where we they chop. We don't know where they carry us they go.